Malacanang maintains its position. It will not interfere with various issues concerning the Senate. Ivy Reyes filed this report from Tokyo, Japan.
Following the recent events in the Senate, from the Senate coup to the walkout of minority senators from yesterday's session, the palace maintains their stand. The president and the executive will not intervene, but Malacanang has this to say to our senators.
Nadinig na rin po natin mismo kay Senator Alan Cayetano na ang hindi pagpunta at pagpunta mismo ni Senator Bato de la Rosa sa Senado habang siya ay nagtatago noon ay isang justifiable reason dahil hindi nga daw nabibigyan ng seguridad kung ito ay maaaresto o hindi. Dito natin makikita ang mga Pilipino dito, makikita ito ang magandang pagkakataon para malaman nating lahat kung ang mga liderato ba at mga leaders na ito ay nagtatrabaho para sa bayan o para sa pansarili o pang-iilan lamang. Kagaya nga na sinabi ni General Luna, bayan o sarili, mamili ka.
Malacanang asks, is this a justifiable reason for the Senate to change its rules? While the palace said all developments in the Senate are within their purview, this is a chance for the public to discern and see where the loyalty of our public servants lie. The palace also denied targeting majority bloc senators out of politics. This after presidential sister and Senator Amy Marcos's video presentation alleged that the majority are being put in a bind. And Senator Jinggoy Estrada yesterday also alleged that this plunder case is the price he has to pay for standing on his principles. According to the palace, the cases precede the formation of the Majority 13 under the Senate presidency of Alan Peter Cayetano. They add that these cases did not come from the administration, but from the careful scrutiny of the press. Malacanang vowed the administration will not get in the way of the office of the Ombudsman, and when asked if the palace believes in the proposal to push for an online voting in the Senate, Malacanang said there exists no calamity or justifiable reason to warrant the need for online voting. However, the final decision still rests upon the Senate and not on the administration. The palace belies anew the allegation the administration is behind the no election plot for 2028 and said that from the facial expression and the president's refusal to issue any comment comes the administration's refusal to acknowledge any truth in this issue. For Midday Report, Ivy Reyes, Billionaire News Channel, Tokyo, Japan.